What's going on, everybody? This is Angel. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be making a video on a quick, easy, and cheap install for the G35. So I got these side markers the other day. They're pretty cheap. They're like $20, and I ordered them probably like a week ago, and they actually got here pretty fast in like 2 days. So I'm just gonna show you guys how to install these and the finished product after. So these are the ones I have right now. All you're gonna do is just pop them out. After this, you could just pull out the bulb and just give it a little pull and it should come out. Now you could just plug in the new LEDs. The lights are built in, so it needs no bulb. Now you could just pop the new ones in. If they keep coming out of the socket, all you gotta do is pull these little clips up and that should hold them in place. As you can see, this is the finished product. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Here's another clip with the lights turned on. Thank you guys for watching the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Give this video a like if you guys found it helpful, and make sure you comment down below what you guys want to see next. Thank you to everybody who has been subscribing. Our channel is growing slowly but surely. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.